Welcome to AISiteMaker training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to create a done-for-you site using AISiteMaker. Click on Create Site and you will be on Create Site page. Now fill the required details like subdomain name of your choice. Once you fill all the details and click on Submit button, then your done-for-you fashion site loaded with 2 million plus fashion products is ready. You can see many options here. Once you choose Site Settings option, you can edit your created site settings. You can set up all your required details here related to your site. You can add logo and favicons of your website here. You can add SEO related details here like meta title, meta description, tags, etc. You can add your Google Pixels or Facebook Pixels script here. If you want to add live chat option on your sites, then you can add live chat script also here. You can collected your site's analytics data directly into your Google Analytics by adding the script here. You can add any third-party script also here based on your requirement. You can run Amazon ads on your site from here by adding Amazon ads script. You can manage footer content and site social media links also from here. You can also add your WhatsApp number here so your website visitors can direct contact you via WhatsApp. You can enable or disable pop-up on your sites from here. And you can also set the time of pop-up from here. You can also add slider ad to your site if you want. You also add custom domain to your website if you want. You can also share your site to your desired platform. Thanks for watching video.